important thing is to make things sustainable. I'll not go for non-profit sector. I'll talk about social business, what we do. Social business is a business like any other business, except that that business is focused on solving problems, not making money for individuals, shareholders, or anybody. So shareholders don't take any dividend out of this company. They are delinked from the profit of the company. Shareholders can only take back whatever they have invested in the company, nothing more than that. The whole company is dedicated to solving problems. So this company is sustainable because it has to cover all the costs and make a surplus, and surplus to pay back the investors whatever they invested, and also to grow, continue. So it's expandable, sustainable, it's focused on solving problems with creative ideas. So the business design is completely different than conventional business, because conventional businesses are designed to make profit for individuals. So they are looking for opportunity where the maximum profit can be made. So their search for the business is a different direction. Here the search for the direction where you can solve the problem which is the most difficult problem. So that's where your success is. You solve the problem which was the most difficult problem. So I would say that's the goal of social business, to do it sustainably and do it in a way it's more effective, more efficient, and that becomes more easy. And the private sector can also function. Private sector means profit-making sector, a conventional business sector. Each business can create a parallel social business on the side, since they cannot do it within their business itself, because business is so focused on making money. So they can do it as a separate business, owned by the company, but where you don't want to make money out of this business. You can get your money back, but it's dedicated to solving problem. You define the problem that you want to solve, create a business method, business model, and go for it. So that way, while you are doing your business to make money, you can also help solve problems alongside, which you cannot do within the main framework.